So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the haunted deck magic trick. So let's just get right into the video. A spectator is going to select the card right off the bat. In this case it is the 6 of diamonds. I'm going to dribble the cards and you're going to tell me when to stop. Stop. And I'll place the card right there. Okay, so now I can just place the deck down. Just like that. So, watch. The card pops straight out without even touching the deck. It's a 6 of diamonds. So now I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Now you're going to need an invisible piece of elastic thread here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's on my hand right there. So what you're going to do is put this on your wrist. By the way, I made a tutorial on how to make these. Just check the link in the description. So, yeah. So now, what you're going to do is, spectator will pick a card. Remember, the loop is on my wrist right there. And, Queen of Hearts, while they're looking at it, you want to grab the loop off your wrist here and put it around the deck. So basically what it's running now is around here. And when you dribble the cards, it's elastic, so you can move your hand away. Dribble the cards right there. Let's say stop. You put the cards there. And you can place the deck down right here, and you just slowly move your hands away from the deck. And then clap your hands and the card will pop out. And it's their card. And what you're going to want to do to end clean, you want to put your hand like that and it'll go onto your hand right there. So it's going around my hand, and there we go. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Just remember to check out how to make your own loops tutorial. In 2021 I did do a video on that, and it teaches you the only real way on how to make invisible elastic thread like the actual product. As you can see, it's black and it's very invisible, so you can't see it. See how you can't see that? But yeah, anyway, definitely check out that tutorial. See you guys later.